Dear friends, welcome to Myobraces in India. It has been a while since we released any videos about myobraces. You all know the reason. With this COVID 19 infection, most of the dental clinics were closed. So was mine for a month. And then everybody is so scared to come to a dental clinic. Anyway, the easiest thing of treatment which are still going on without much problem are maximum of myobrace cases and also the dental aligner cases. Coming back, you all must have realized that how important it is for everyone now today to be breathing properly. The most dangerous situation for any patient is when they become breathless. This is what we have been also telling in our myobrace therapy. How important it is to be breathing and proper breathing. Everybody breathes who are alive, but if you are not breathing from your nose with a proper breathing technique, then definitely you are going to land up with some sort of eventualities where there can be no proper growth of the lungs, nose, your jaws, and the further on it can lead to difficult problems. So again, coming back, we have to see that the breathing of our kids is normal, proper, and in the correct method. So you have to take care that the breathing is only by the nose. They are not supposed to breathe from the mouth. And if they are breathing from the mouth, then you have to evaluate it yourself at home. Don't think that once the cold and cough is gone, he will again automatically start breathing from the nose. Nothing happens automatically. They have to be reminded, they have to be brought back, and you should not wait for a major calamity to happen to go for the treatment. For any particular system, the organs have to be used. Like if you breathe properly from the nose, the end organ of the respiratory system, that is the lungs, will grow properly and normally to its fullest capacity. If there is any hampering of proper breathing, naturally the end organ, that is the lung also, will lose its maximum capacity. And if it is not at its maximum potential at young age, then you can definitely imagine how it is going to be when the patient is an adult. Once the patient is an adult, it is very difficult to get them back to nasal breathing or make them stop from snoring or any other breathing problems like the apnea problems. So we have to see that our children grow normally. So my dear friends, please take care of your children. See that they breathe properly, eat good food, not the junk food, and also they do maintain some amount of at least the physical exercise. Without the exercise, again, no growth and development is going to happen. They are only going to become more flabby, more lazy, and overweight, which is going to be again difficult to bring them back to normalcy once all this is over. So, my dear friends, please take care of yourself, your children, your family, and your surroundings. The physical exercises you all know, they can be done even inside the house, and if you are fortunate enough, you can let them do it on the terrace also. And of course, about the breathing exercises, we had already put up a video about the breathing exercises with myobraces. I'll be putting up a few more with the highlights on the breathing part, and you can all please watch it and see that your children follow it regularly. This can be done for the patients who are already on myobraces, who are having problems, and who don't even have any problems, because breathing is the most important part of our life and proper breathing is still more. Hello friends, welcome to Myobraces in India. Today I am going to speak about the exercises that are to be done along with the wear of the myobraces. These exercises are a must to bring back the child to the normal position of all the muscles in the face as well as the masticatory muscles also, so that the growth and the development of the face and the jaw does not get hampered. The normal exercises that we tell about are divided into three categories, that is the tongue in the right position, then the normal breathing and the way of normal swallowing. Breathing always has to be from the nose and not from the mouth, and the swallowing has to be with the tongue in the right spot, the teeth clenched, and with no movements of the lip and the cheek muscles. So today one of my patients, Amok, is going to demonstrate the exercises to us. Hello Amok, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. And how old are you?
I'm 11.
And which class are you studying in?
I'm in 6th.
Okay. So now he is going to demonstrate to us all the three types of exercises. The first exercise is about the proper positioning of the tongue. The tip of the tongue should be always touching the palate, that is just behind the upper front teeth, the incisors. So if you say N, the place where your tongue tip touches, that is called the spot. Now Amog is going to demonstrate the spot to us. Spread the tongue in the palate. Yeah. Now close your mouth. In the second set of exercises, this is for the proper way of breathing from the nose. When the children breathe from the mouth due to nasal obstruction or because of cold and cough, they are breathing all the air through the mouth without any hindrance. Now this air is completely polluted with the dust and the bacteria and all the unwanted impurities. So if the child breathes from the nose, there are certain protective elements in the nose which help in purifying the air, and thus the work for the lungs is reduced. So Amok will first show how the mouth breather is and then the proper nasal breathing. By making your children do this exercise of deep breathing right from the stomach muscles will help in clearing the nasal passages at the back of the mouth and also from the respiratory tract. So if there is any unwanted tissue like granulation tissue which has grown at the back, will get cleared with this type of exercises, also with proper steam inhalation. So ask them to do it 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening with deep breathing right from the stomach muscles. Will you please do it again, Amok? You can see his stomach muscles and all the chest muscles which are fully expanding and contracting. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.